Alright, so today we're going to be looking at Pages and some of the excellent things that you can do with it. Pages is designed for use when you're creating documents that you want to look, I call it pretty, when you want to make them look like they're properly or formally produced, often to give out to people. So I'm just going to show you just a quick walkthrough of how to use the program so that you know what to do. Alright, so I've just opened it up and it says, "Welcome to Pages, the most beautiful word processor ever designed for a mobile device." And you can see they've got a picture here of something that they've created. I'm going to hit continue. Learn more about Pages, get started, create a new document or learn more about Pages. So you can follow the prompts there. I'm going to go use Pages because I'm going to show you a little bit. So you can see straight away there's a whole stack of my documents that are actually getting downloaded as we speak. That's because I've installed and turned on iCloud. Okay, so these are documents that I've stored on my in my iCloud account, so I can access them instantly. Okay, this is the first time I've loaded it up on this device. But what I want to do today is I want to start a new document. So I'm just going to hit the little plus symbol just here, and I'm going to go create document. Alright, so the first thing it asks me is to choose a template. So you can go through and pick the one that you like, if one of those is appropriate to what you want, or you can just hit blank. Today I'm going to hit project proposal, and that gives me some pre-formatted things. Okay, so it puts in an image holder. Okay, obviously I'm not going to use that image, but it's an image holder. So you see the little icon down here. Whoop, the little icon down here means that it's a image holder. And you can replace that with any other image. Okay, I can go into my camera roll, I can choose one, there we go, and now it's just changed to one of mine. Alright, so you can get rid of these things up here if you want to, you can change what they say, but it's already chosen all the different fonts for me. However, you can go through and change them as you wish. You'll notice when I click, when you start typing, it automatically pops up the keypad so that you can start typing, and it also gives you all these options along the top here. So you can actually change the font, you can change the size of the font, the small a and the big A, tells it to go one bigger or one smaller, or you can go straight ahead and select the one that you want. Bold, italic, underline, all the usual stuff. The alignment, whether you want to align to the left or align to the right, all up to you. Excuse me. That is all the basic controls. You've also got things like adding different shapes and whatnot. You'll notice these little dots here allow you to scroll to the next page. So there's multiple pages, they're all pre-coloured. Alright, so that's just the shape section. If I go to charts, you can add some really nice looking 3D charts, 2D charts as well. Back here. Oh, there they go. Yeah, some really nice looking stuff that you can put in. Okay. Tables, you can put different tables in that are all pre-formatted, so it's all done for you. And media as well. So if I just click media, you'll notice I've got, again, that selection of the camera roll and all the different photos that are stored on the iPad. Okay. You've also got the format painter. Okay, so if I select that section there and you choose the format painter, okay, I can paint on different formats. So I can change it from title to a subtitle to a heading, to a smaller heading, whichever I like. Okay, put it back to title. Actually want them bold. Okay. I can also change it to a list if I wanted to. Okay, so you can use little bullets, whatever you like, and you can add different columns and you can change the line spacing. So there's all your regular controls that you might need in using any sort of word processor. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you was the little spanner at the top. That is the main controls. You can either share and print your document. Okay, so you can open another app, you could print it, you could email the document, all those different things. Those three are probably the most important, the top three. Okay, you can find on the page, you can look at change tracking, You can change the document setup, whether it's landscape or portrait. Actually, sorry, you can't change that one. You can choose whether you want it, where you want the margins to be. Okay, so you can change the margins here, drop them in and out. Hit done. You can go into settings, see the word count, center guides, edge guides, all those different things that you want to, just to make things look a bit prettier, just to make it exactly how you want it. Okay. Lastly, and probably most importantly, is the help. Okay. Click on help, and it will give you a bit of a guide, and you can go through and you can look at all the different features, or you can just search for something that you want there. Okay, so that is Pages in a nutshell. Again, if I go back to Documents, sorry, it's just slid off Pages. If I go back to Documents, okay, you'll see it drops down in with all the rest. Okay, and you're ready to start another one. So you just hit the plus button, create a document, and again, you can either choose blank, or you can choose from any of the pre-created templates. All right, so best of luck. Hope that helps you get a handle on Pages. Thank you.